Here is our list of the top 5 best refrigerators you can get right now. The Samsung Bespoke Flex with AI Family Hub is a smart 4-door refrigerator, ideal for tech-savvy users. Its standout feature is a 32-inch AI-powered touchscreen that runs Android apps like YouTube, Google Calendar, and Spotify. It also lets users manage fridge settings, view security cameras, and leave digital notes. The beverage center includes a water dispenser, drink shelf, and auto-refilling pitcher. Inside, it offers 29 cubic feet of space, convertible flex zone, dual ice maker, motion and voice-activated doors, and smart features like inventory tracking and recipe suggestions. Built-in cameras help identify stored items, though accuracy can vary. The Bosch 800 series counter-depth refrigerator offers a sleek built-in look by aligning flush with kitchen counters. Though it has slightly less storage and a higher price, it's ideal for those prioritizing design and smart features. It includes a flexible storage layout, built-in water dispenser, and a filter to reduce food odors. The Vita Fresh Pro system automatically regulates temperature and humidity to keep food fresher longer. Additionally, the Home Connect app enables remote control, allowing users to adjust temperature and lighting, run diagnostics, and receive alerts if the door is left open, making it a highly functional and stylish appliance. The Whirlpool 33-inch bottom freezer refrigerator is a practical and reliable choice, offering 22 cubic feet of storage with a design that keeps fresh food at eye level. Its bottom freezer drawer is spacious and efficient, while features like spill-proof glass shelves, bright LED lighting, and humidity-controlled crispers help extend produce freshness. The built-in ice maker adds convenience, and Whirlpool's AccuChill temperature management system adjusts cooling based on contents, improving energy efficiency. By avoiding unnecessary extras, this fridge reduces potential maintenance issues, making it a durable and user-friendly option for those who value function, simplicity, and long-term reliability. The GE French door refrigerator is a spacious and smart appliance, ideal for organized food storage. Its wide shelves and large bins in the top section make it easy to keep items accessible and tidy. Key features include twin chill evaporators for independent fridge and freezer temperature control, humidity-controlled drawers for produce freshness, and spill-proof glass shelves to contain messes. It also offers showcase LED lighting, a built-in water filtration system, and an interior ice maker for added convenience. Available in both counter depth and standard depth sizes, this fridge combines modern functionality with flexible design options to suit various kitchen layouts. The LG 30-inch top freezer refrigerator is a quiet budget-friendly option, ideal for small kitchens, first apartments, or as a secondary fridge. Its compact design and fewer moving parts make it both quiet and reliable. Despite its affordable price, it includes valuable features like digital temperature controls, 2 humidity-controlled crisper drawers to extend produce freshness, and an energy-efficient operation. It does not come with a built-in ice maker, which suits many users looking for simplicity in a backup fridge, though one can be added for an extra cost. Overall, it's a practical and efficient choice for compact living spaces.